the Zeppelin Loop or the Zeppelin Eye knot. Hello everybody, welcome back, and today's little knot that we're going to do is the Zeppelin Loop, and the particular properties of this knot is that one, it is a very secure loop knot to tie into the end of a cord, and from what I understand it is one of the few eye knots that is used for bungee jumping. Now there is an old saying that says that there's only two things that drop from the sky, and that's bird shit and idiots. But that's probably by someone who's never experienced adrenaline before. So anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to tie the Zeppelin Loop, which in itself is a relatively easy knot to tie, but the wonderful thing about it is it's easy to untie even if it's been under a lot of loading. And like I said before, according to my research, this particular knot is used in bungee jumping. But once again, disclaimer, do your own research, don't trust me. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on and let's get knotting. Okay, so here's the cordage that I'm going to use, and the thing to remember with this particular knot is it is fairly cord hungry. So you've got to take into account the actual knot itself and also the loop underneath that knot that you're going to create. So I'm going to take approximately 3 feet, a metre of cordage, and my working end is going to the right hand side there, and that's my standing end to the left hand side. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tie myself an overhand knot into the cordage at this point here. So I'm going to take my working end, pass it underneath my standing end like so, bring it through, and we end up with a loop just there, and then just take that working end and pass it down through that loop that we've created there until we get our overhand knot as such. Now once you've done that, open it up just a little bit, and you want to open it up like so, because that is now going to guide us in the next bit which you will see shortly. So now that we've opened it up there, this loop here is the loop that we now want to take our working end down through. So we take our working end down through that loop, and by doing that, by going down through that loop at that point there, what we've done is this is now going to be the loop of our Zeppelin bend. And then once we've done that, we then take our working end and we pass it over everything. So pass it over everything, and now the next thing that we're looking for is this. Here you can see this cord running here goes underneath that loop there and underneath that loop there like so. And what we want to do is come underneath that like so. So I'm going to pass my working end underneath and run parallel to that one. So underneath there, parallel to the one above it, and then also come out there parallel to that side there. And now when I pull this up, just gently dress it up, pull it up, and now as I've pulled it up now, you can see here now that we've got the Zeppelin bend formed in the end of our loop there. And that's basically it. It's just such a simple, wonderful, easy knot to do. And if you're a bungee jumper, please do check out the security of this one. There may be an addition that you have to do this before you launch yourself off some high platform, i.e. by seizing this working end off, attaching it, I don't know. So please do check that out. So anyway, once again, that was the Zeppelin bend. Sorry, not the Zeppelin bend, the Zeppelin loop knot. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you hated it, but please do subscribe to this channel. More knots in the future, and also please do comment below and tell me your experiences. And if you're a bungee jumper, please do let me have a comment down below and tell me about it, because it would frighten me to death. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye.